I will come back now as a student. I am a student now, assessment 1. Okay, if I go to the home page now, okay, as you can see in the announcement part here, you have a new test. Then the student knows he has a test. Now for the exams here, he will click on final exam. Okay, and this is some instructions here. This test has a run time only for 1 hour. Timer settings. This test will save and submit automatically when the time expires. And forced completion. This test can be saved and resumed at any point until time has expired. The timer will continue to run if you leave the test. These are the instructions. Click on begin. This is the timer. He will get a warning when half-time finished. 5 minutes and 1 minute and 30 minutes remaining. Okay, he will get some warning. This is the question here, and he can put his answer in this area. He can write his answer here, and I will put the answer, for example. Okay, Control V, quick formatting. This is the answer of the student. Save and submit. Yes, save and submit. Okay, test saved and submitted. And this is the details here. And OK, I click on OK. This is the review submission. Final exam, started, submitted, needs grading. The status needs grading. Attempt score, grade not available till now. Okay, now if I go back to my grades now for final exam, I will see that needs grading. Okay, this is final exam, and the exam needs grading. The exam needs grading. Okay, now I will come back as an instructor to grade this exam. You have to go to, okay, needs grading, the grade center, and click needs grading. I have student 5, he submitted his exam, so I need to grade the exam. Okay. I can review the rubric here. I can give him feedback. Okay. This is attempt 1 of 1, only he has 1 attempt. Test information and the rubric. I will view the rubric here. Exit. Okay, access log. Okay. Okay. How to use the rubric now? Okay. List view. Okay. Now I will give him, for example, competent here and distinguish here competent, distinguish. For the scientific language, the total is 875, and I click on save, and I get the grade according to the rubric. Okay, and then I can click on submit, and it is graded. Now I've come back as a student, click my grade. Okay, this is the grade for the final exam. Okay, any question? The same way we can create exam as a file response or a short answer. Any question for the essay type? Okay. Now we can create, for example, short answer exam in the same way. We can create, add. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will come back. Okay, and what I will do here is course tools. We will try to add some questions, or we can okay, delete the essays, test, survey, and polls, test. I cannot edit. He will not permit this. Okay, the test has one attempt for information. On editing question, click for help. Okay, then it will not be permitted since the exam has one attempt. Okay. Okay, I will create another type of exams. Since it has a okay, what happened? I don't have sharing the screen. Okay, I have to share the screen. Okay, share. I missed the sharing. Okay, I will come back now. We can create now a new exam. Build test. For example, I will go for short answer. Okay. And I will click on submit. Okay, I will create a question of type short answer. I will put the question here. I will put the question here. Okay. This is a short answer. Okay. Now he will ask you the number of rows that will display in the answer field. Minimum 3 and maximum 6. Okay, let's give him 6 rows to answer the question. We will give the students 6 rows to answer the questions. And this is the answer text. Okay, you have to provide an answer text here. as a model answer. Okay, you add a rubric the same way. I will add this rubric. And click on submit. Okay. Now I will come back as a student, or no, before I have to deploy the assessment, I will deploy the test, not here, sorry. In the exams, deploy the test and short answer, submit. Okay, make it available, add a new announcement, timer on, and you will give a password. If you have any user, special user you want to add, no due date, and after some attempts are graded, and once a time, and randomize the question and submit. Okay, I will. No, then the exam is ready now for the student. He can retake this exam in the same way. Assessment, test, not this one. Exams. Okay, short answer. Okay, and begin. This is the type of short answer exams. He can view the rubric, the student can view before answering. He can view the rubric, okay? And he can write his answer in this 6 row only, permitted, okay? Then there is a limited amount of rows he can, or word he can insert as an answer. This is the difference, okay? Here I will put this. I don't know how many rows I will write here, but okay, we'll start to see if it is accepted or not. Okay, it's accepted. It's about 3 rows here, okay? And 76 word, okay, then save and submit. Click OK. And click OK. And the result will be after grading. It needs a grading, okay? Then I will come back as this is my grades, no grades now for the short answer exam. Okay, no grades. I have to come back and from needs grading, I will grade the exam. Okay, view rubric. List view. Okay. Competent, novice, distinguished, and I have to save it. This is the grade and submit. And finish. And the student can display the grade in my grades. Okay, it's there. Okay. This is the use of two type of essay and short answer. Okay. Any question? Yes. You can use any. Yeah. If you consider it is valid, okay, for this exam, okay, why not? It's not. Yes, you can use the rubric you created for assignment with a test item. Yes, why not? Okay. Yes, it is available. Yes. At the end, it's a rubric, okay? It's a rubric, you know. You create a rubric without taking consideration, if you wish, what type of assessment you are, okay? You create rubrics, okay? And you can use these rubrics in any type of this, okay? If we come back, as we have seen here, okay, then you can associate, okay, you can associate the rubric you already created with this type of content. Then there is no distinction between, okay, if you consider that this rubric is convenient for this type of questions, okay, then you go, okay, why not? It's valid. Yeah, you create a rubric and you can use it with all these type of assessment. Okay, Dr. Abdel Hamid, can plagiarism software detect cheating between students? No, but if this work was referenced by the student, then it will detect. But if it wasn't referenced, then it will not be detected. No.